Okay, hello my friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Brilliant Trading Tips and also Forex Emergency Help. I'm getting a fresh signal today, and today is Tuesday the 27th of August. This is the fresh signal. As you can see, we have a buy. Reason why I took this signal, for those of you who are seeing this now, as you can see, this is the current time. It's 1 minute to 10. Let me say it's 10 o'clock already. As you can see, the time just changed. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. So this is a swing signal, guys. This is a swing signal. It can be an intraday signal if the volatility today is high, but it's a swing signal because this is the Forex Emergency Help. We have a buy signal with usdcad. It's not yet confirmed in H4. It's not yet confirmed in H4. Hence, I'm making this video to teach you something. So, guys, this is your buy signal. Reason why I took it is because of the divergence. As you can see, this line here that is going down, the trend line that is going down, and this trend line on the awesome oscillator that is going up, they mark a divergence. So I've already taken the buy, but for you, I wouldn't advise to take a buy right away as I did. As you can see here, there is this line that I made, that the market might push up and then come down and then continue up. So once the price breaks the change of character, once the price breaks this high here, we have a change of character. That is when you can take the signal. Once we have the change of character, then that is when you can take the signal. If we don't have the change of character, it's a risky signal. There is no confirmation. You see, we don't have all the layers of our confluences. This is the change of character here, the red line that I am drawing. Once the price break up there, it's going to give us a change of character. Then you can take the signal. But even now, if you are willing to risk whatever amount you are willing to risk, you can take the signal, because the divergence is here. Once you have the divergence and you have the arrow, you can take the signal. If the signal fails, you are going to lose so much, because you can see the stop loss is very tight. It's less than 20 pips. It's less than 20 pips, the stop loss, but the reward is very high. It's over 100 pips. So this is a 1:5 ratio. This is a 1:5 ratio. Let me show you now something also. There is a signal with gbpusd. There is a signal with gbpusd. Can you see this is gbpusd? We have a sell. Last time I shared a video, we had this buy here, and I made a projection of how this buy would move, Let me show you with H4. Okay, I don't know, where is it? Okay, this is it. I think this is the one. Can you see? I hope you can see well. Let me remove this. Can you see? This was the trade that I took. I believe I shared it in the group. I'm not sure, but I shared it on YouTube. So the stop loss was just below. Can you see how tight the stop loss is? And the take profit was right at this previous high. This is H1. But the analysis was done in H4. Because I did a full market structure analysis. As you can see, this was our low, this was our high, this was our higher low, and this was the break of structure, higher high, higher low, break of structure, higher high, higher low, and break of structure here. Now, why did I take the sell? Because the sell is against the trend. What I'm doing, I am doing a counter trend trading. So what I did was I took a Fibonacci and I dragged it all the way up to where the market is beginning to reverse. And as you can see, my entry is right where the market is now currently, and the stop loss is above the high. It's above the high, and the take profit is right at the 50% of the Fibonacci, right at the 50% of the Fibonacci. And this is also above 1:5 ratio. The first one was 1:8 ratio, and you can see we hit the take profit, but it was a swing. It was a swing trading, so you can't expect to take profit within the same day or 2 days, but it depends on the volatility of the market. But why I'm not giving you this why I am not giving you this signal with a GBP USD, it is because we have not yet gotten a confirmation. We have not yet gotten a confirmation. As you can see, there is no divergence. There is no divergence. We only got the arrow, but not the divergence. Hence, I am not sharing the GBP USD with you. You can take the USD CAD, but as for the GBP USD, it's a kind of a risky trade for now. When can you take the GBP USD? You can take the GBP USD if you get an arrow in H4. If you get an arrow in H4, then you can take the GBP USD. If there is no divergence, but you get an arrow in H4, then you can take the GBP USD. This is how we trade the Forex emergency help. As you know, you open this side and you open this side. Look, if you did not know nothing about the divergence, and you can see here there is an arrow, and also here there is an arrow, then you take that signal. Now to take the GBP, you already have an arrow with GBP USD. Now wait for the arrow in H4. Also, you have the arrow in H1, wait for the arrow in H4, and then you can take the trade. The same goes with USD CAD, but with USD CAD, I took the trade anyway because of the divergence. But if you want to be precise, wait for H4 to give you an arrow. Once H4 gives you an arrow, then you can take the signal. I do not advise that you take the signal without the arrow in H4 if you are trading on your own. But if it is me that is sharing the signal, then you can take the arrow even if H4 has not yet confirmed, because this is type 1 strategy of the Forex emergency help, meaning we are using only the divergence as a confirmation. But if you get an arrow in H4 as well and you get the divergence, you are good to go. And then you are good to go. You can be guaranteed that you will make profit. I'm just saying you can be guaranteed as a matter of talking, because you know in Forex trading there are no guarantees. So guys, I will share this also in my WhatsApp group. If you feel like you want to take this signal, you can request for the stop loss and also for the take profit, so that I give it as a signal. For now, I'm not giving it as a signal, I'm giving it as a lesson, but I will share it right away, and you will make your own conclusion if you want to take this trade or not. God bless you and shalom.